Yeah, there's affiliate marketing is everywhere for better or worse. A lot of people, and especially the audience here, know Amazon well, which is why they're here, because we're talking about the massive black eye they gave us. But so many different retailers and brands have their own affiliate program. So, it kind of goes back to what is your specific industry? What is your specific niche? What are you promoting? If you're pushing a lot of running shoes, well, Nike has its own affiliate program. You don't have to. Nike's a bad example because of the Amazon thing, but New Balance has its own affiliate program. Adidas has its own affiliate program. So each of those use different affiliate networks. So kind of back to what you were saying, CJ versus Awin versus Impact versus Rakuten, et cetera. I see that kind of as a byproduct, but I think really kind of narrowing in, where does your audience buy, or where would your audience like to buy, right? If it's running shoes, well, they're probably going to trust Amazon. Foot Locker's pretty well known, at least here in the US, and they'd probably be willing to buy directly from the store because the brand name is huge. So right there's 3 great opportunities to promote your product. 2 of them are outside of Amazon, or to sell that product via affiliate.
And just in general, Jesse, can you just give like the 1-sentence summary of Geniuslink, just so people know what you guys do?
Yeah, so for the audience here, a lot of Amazon affiliate users, we help make your links work globally. We are a premium version of the OneLink tool. OneLink was kind of modeled after the technology we built out. So making sure you're not leaving money on the table internationally.
Cool. And it works for some other programs as well, if you would just want to mention that. I know we have a lot of Amazon affiliate folks here, but I mean, it's a pretty robust product.
Try to be, exactly. Started with iTunes. That was my background. Amazon was next. We also helped the Microsoft affiliate ecosystem. But in the last few years, we've really opened it up to be a lot more affiliate program agnostic. So you can use our tools with any link, any affiliate link. We support a good number of the most popular affiliate programs. We also support VigLink and Skimlinks, or I guess Sovereign Commerce as they're known now, and Skimlinks. So you can drop in one of tens of thousands of different links to different retailers, and we can make sure those are affiliated. But I think the real value is what we're going to be getting to here in a few is, instead of having to answer that either or question, what about having multiple buy buttons for a single product recommendation? I think that's really one of the technologies we're most excited about, and we're really starting to shine. And what seems to be most applicable to today's unfortunate situation is how to take those lemons and make some lemonade. Awesome. So yeah, we call these choice pages, and the gist is that they're landing pages. Landing pages where you can promote just a single product and have multiple different retailers. So you'll notice that Amazon is a pretty common option here. So the idea, again, is that you don't have to decide, is it Amazon or Walmart, Amazon or Best Buy? It can be multiple ones. Choice pages were originally built out for the music industry, where music streaming, music buying is a bit of a commodity. We found that our audience, specifically in the book space, was also really appreciated. We had a handful of different creators that were starting to use choice pages to promote camera gear, and had some huge successes. Armando Freire from Mondo Bytes is kind of the poster child here, because his success was just such runaway. But he more than doubled his Amazon commissions and became a top affiliate for B&H Photo Video, another major retailer in the video area, just by starting to use choice pages instead of direct Amazon links. So let me actually just kind of walk you through what that looks like. So again, here, what a choice page looks like all said and done is, again, simple landing page with your multiple buy buttons, some sort of art, description, call to action. You have your disclosures, your FTC disclosure, your Amazon disclosure is here, et cetera. So it's really kind of packaged and built specifically for affiliate links. So the way we build it, again, is coming from the Geniuslink dashboard. We jump in, we can just do a new choice page. You can do some organization pieces, but the gist is you're probably starting with an Amazon link. So here's an Amazon product I'm using right now. If you can hear me okay, then I'm recommending it. We can just go ahead and grab that link, jump over to the dashboard. We'll just go ahead and drop that in. So what we're doing is we're parsing this link real quick. We figure out what the product art is. We grab the title. We've got a call to action there. We'll mess with that in a minute. We also just released this new feature called suggestions. And the idea is that, again, Amazon is one retailer. Amazon's loading their commissions. We can do better. So let's just see these suggestions real quick. So B&H, the retailer I mentioned before, is a great place to buy. So I want that one included. And then Walmart, I also have my affiliate tracking information saved for, so I can drop that in. If you have your Sovereign Commerce or your Skimlinks API added into Geniuslink, it's likely you'll have affiliate options for these ones as well. But we've got those. Let me go ahead back. One of the calls to action that I think is really helpful, especially at this time, is find the best price below. We have two different themes. I think the product looks best on the white. We got a couple different options. So now we're just gonna go ahead and save. And now we have this link. So this link now, if we drop that into a new browser, and we have our Amazon button for those that are gonna buy on Amazon. We've got B&H and Walmart, and we can find the best price below. So B&H looks like it is, B&H is a little slow at the moment, but got a bunch of different options. So perfect. Okay, and then we can jump back. We can check Walmart price, and we can look at Amazon price. So by looking and doing that price comparison right there kind of on the fly, I just actually set affiliate cookies in 3 different retailers. I also know that Amazon's the best price, and so I'm going to go ahead and move forward with Amazon. So my conversion rate, we found the conversion rate from using choice pages is actually higher because of this action right here of people clicking, doing that price comparison, looking for the best price. It kind of adds what we call micro conversions. So people get more and more incentivized to actually go through and finish that buying process because they've already done their price comparison. They're confident that Amazon is the best place to buy. They can move forward. But in this, it may have been B&H, it may have been Walmart. Amazon does not always have the lowest price. Some people, again, don't shop at Amazon. My wife has Prime, so we shop at Amazon regularly. But if I don't have Prime, then it may be worth a little bit more to buy from another place, etc.